Clean rooms. Importance. In the food industry, clean rooms are the heart of hygienic food production, ensuring that every bite we take is free from dust and contamination. But what goes into creating these pristine environments? The food industry has undergone a transformation, with customer demand for healthy foods leading to stringent manufacturing standards. Even a small amount of contamination can have a detrimental effect on the quality of the product, resulting in product rejection and legal issues. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, sets strict environmental controls, including detailed planning and designing for clean rooms. Clean rooms are ranked by the purity of their air, specifically the number and size of particles per volume of air. The International Organization for Standardization, ISO 14644, outlines these standards, with ISO 1 being the cleanest. In the food industry, Class 10,000 is most common, limiting particles to 10,000 per cubic meter. Designing a clean room is a meticulous process, tailored to the product's specific temperature, pressure, and relative humidity requirements. All incoming air must pass through high-efficiency particulate air, HEPA filters, capable of trapping particles as small as 0.3 microns. Maintaining static pressure is crucial to prevent contamination. Studies recommend a pressure differential of 74.65 to 124.42 pascals to reduce contaminant infiltration, with a maximum of 24.88 pascals across doors to facilitate opening and closing. Clean room surfaces are designed for easy cleaning, with walls, ceilings, and floors often finished in light shades or bright white. Doors must be non-porous and durable, with pass-through chambers as an alternative for material transfer. Lighting in clean rooms must not disrupt airflow and is typically integrated into the ceiling grid. Flooring is the prime site for contaminants, so it's crucial to select materials that are easy to clean and repair, like epoxy or polyurethane for highly hygienic areas. The success of a clean room hinges on its design and maintenance. It's imperative to have experienced supervision during construction to ensure all parameters are met. When designed correctly, clean rooms are a reliable bastion against contamination, safeguarding our food and our health.